a faded photo on a plug. It has seen changes here. Time has come and gone. Its leaves have fallen. Its branches are scarred. Birds have nested using its twigs. Eggshells have fallen onto the earth by your feet. At the moment when they take to the sky, look up and see how the tree meets the clouds. Its leaves wave like hands.
你好，我是来自中国荷兰的。我出生在荷兰的一个小山村，因为从小在山里长大，所以我一直渴望去看看外面的世界。对我来说，外面的世界很精彩。
In the UK is so diverse. Like I've met people that are from all over the world, and they are all from the UK. And I think being culturally diverse is something that I found very interesting. I fell right out of the airport, and a lot of people just came to me and said, "Oh, do you need help?" People in the UK are really kind.
The tree is standing here, between a car park and a botanical garden, between an outdoor gym and a bus stop, between a city and a suburb, another pin on the map.